I've got some exciting news for you guys. News so good. Wait, news so good that I had to put on my fancy clothes. Oh, like not smart. So I just created a digital product that could change the way people think and hopefully generate some money to make the hustle to motivate project a success. As it is for sale, a digital product, my ebook, third ebook, but this will be all the funds that we raise will go towards the hustle to motivate project. Every cent on our road or on the road to reach 50K, 50,000 rand that we need to make the hustle to motivate project a success. Let me tell you about the ebook. The title is Wake Up, Colored People. And I put some work into the art to show our history, show our reality. And if you look at the name Colored, draped in the South African flag, there's a deep message in there. I hope you guys can see into it. I'm not going to mention it because I don't want to make some people frustrated. But in the book, we talk about everything, the history. We look at the problem, but instead of just pointing at the problem, we'll look at practical ways to tackle the problems. We'll be pointing at solutions. And I wrote it in a way that the new generation would actually be interested because the most important people that we would like to reach is the youth. So the generation will really find it inspiring and easy, very easy to read. The hustle and motive, the hustle to motivate project will, must, and will be a success. There's no other choice. Remember, I resigned. I quit my job to make this a success, so I can focus my energy on this, so I can put everything into it. And they say the biggest motivation is a hungry stomach. So now that I won't be able to earn an income, and let me rephrase this, the biggest motivation is a hungry stomach and an empty wallet. So seeing that I won't be earning money anymore, I don't have a choice but to make this a success. Because wow, I don't know why this fly. Satan! See, there's a devil always trying to bring a person down, messing things up. But we're not gonna let negativity destroy our vibe. So yeah, hungry stomach, empty wallet is the best motivation. So my wallet will be running dry very quickly, as my salary usually only lasts for a week. And if I don't get money or start making this a success, I will not be able to get back to work. So the first goal is to establish the platform, and I'm establishing the platform right now. Establishing the platform to make the hustle to motivate project a success, and this will be one of the ways we will be earning money, hopefully. And I hope you guys will support it. Check out the book, give it a 5-star review if you guys love it. Read through it, share it with your friends, family, your people on socials, and let us know what you think. The link is in the comment section, so please check it out. Yeah, but this is going to be awesome. We're going to make this a success. So, my people, it might sound dumb and everything might look slow, but I promise you, I'm putting in everything, putting in all my energy to make this a success. And you will see me running down the series. If this is the first time watching, then please click the like button, click the follow button, and comment so that you will be updated on the latest news, latest things we'll be working on. Yeah, so I'm excited, and this is only the beginning. My people, stay locked in. Please check out the book. Colored people, wake up, wake up, colored people. And if you guys watch it so far, then thank you for your support. Truly do appreciate your help. Stay locked in. It's enough talking. Smart. Away. Tijdelijk.